Hey, this is Sam here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to share with you how to make some cute little bolognese pizzas from wraps. They are delicious, they're perfect for using up your leftovers. So if you've got leftover lasagna, leftover spag bol, any of those, it will work really well with. For ingredients, we've got our leftover spag bol and we just kept the meat of it. Like I said, the same thing will work with lasagna. You could use leftover chili con carne, there's so much choice. Some grated cheese, the wraps, some dolmio, and some Philadelphia and some basil. So it's really simple everyday ingredients. And to be honest, most of the time I have all these ingredients in anyway, so it's great for an all-rounder for just using up some leftovers and making your food stretch that a little bit further. So let's get started, shall we? So first of all, this is the bolognese that I've got left over. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some dolmio to it. This is the same dolmio I originally used to make some lasagna with. I've used it for some leftover pies, so the jar is stretching quite a way, which is great. And I love this kind of Tupperware because you can also use it for mixing your ingredients in, depending what you're making with it. So that's all nicely mixed. Let's add in some extra cheese, because who doesn't love cheese? And then once you've done that, let's get those wraps going. So I'm just going to put that to one side whilst I get out the wraps. I've got some good sharp knife here for quickly getting into them. I love these cheapo supermarket ones. They're great for just putting food in the air fryer with. So then get your filly open. And what you want to do is you want to spread out some of your bolognese mixture like that over it. And then what you want to do next is you want to add another wrap on top. So on goes another one, and then on this next one you want to get your Philly out, or any other soft cheese is fine, as long as it's spreadable. Bossing, if it's just come out the fridge, it'll be really too hard for this. And then when you've done this, because this is creating the sticky texture so that the food will stick to it for when it's air frying, add another layer like this over your original wrap, and then add your cheese. And then your sprinkle of basil. And then it's ready to go on. So I'm just going to have a quick clean down and then we can get it going in the air fryer. It's now ready for the air fryer. So let's make a lasagna style pizza from wraps. I mean, oh wow, look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? So place it in your air fryer. And then pop the air fryer on, 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and we're going to start it with a 6-minute cook time. Did you know that we have a free air fryer mini course? It runs for 5 days, is delivered by email, covers 5 important air fryer beginner topics, and includes a free PDF and free recipes. Simply head over to RecipeThis.com and search mini course for full details. And we've beeped. So, shall we check on them so far? Oh wow, look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? So now, for getting them out of the air fryer, you can just use your hands and get in there. Or if you prefer, you can use a knife or a spatula. Oh wow, look at that beauty. Doesn't that look amazing? So I'm just going to transfer that to the chopping board so it can cool down a bit. And then let's get another one on, shall we? And this one we're going to mix this one up a little bit, and for this one we're going to add some more of the dolmio sauce on top so you can see the difference of how they look. More of your lovely dolmio mixed in with your cheese and your mince, and then we've got a tiny little bit left over there for the topping. I'm just going to spread that out a bit more. That piece is really big, so I'm just going to break it up a bit. And then add in some cheese. And then next, your knife again. And then what we're going to do, like we did before, we're going to spread some Philly on this one. So a bit more cream cheese. And then what we're going to do differently, this one's going to have more cheese on. So then it's turned upside down so the cheese is touching the other side. And then another layer of cheese on here. And then what we're going to do on this one is we're going to use up the last of the mince. I'm doing this one differently because I've nearly run out of mixture. And then now we've got rid of that, we can use some of our lovely dolmio. Get a spoon. About 2 spoonfuls of the dolmio. And then actually I just use the spoon again just to spread it out a bit. And then when you're done with that, more cheese. Who doesn't love cheese, hey? A little bit more cheese. And then this one is now ready to go in. So air fry basket out, put it in, careful with the sides there. A lot of our readers say that when they're doing this in and out the air fryer, it's so easy to burn themselves. So then get it back on. I'm looking for 180 Celsius, 360 Fahrenheit, and then a cook time of just 6 minutes. And we've beeped. So should we check on the second one? Oh, wow. Shame the cheese has come off a little bit, but I still think it looks fantastic. So let's get it out, shall we? Again, the spatula trick is brilliant for this. Oh wow, look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? I just can't believe how good that looks. So onto the plate. Oh dear, looks like I've got an air fryer to clean. Oh well, I'll sort it out in a bit. Got to show you how this beauty looks first. I mean, look at that. So that's with the dolmio sauce versus without. So without, it makes less mess in your air fryer, but with, you know, it's just going to taste that much better. So I've let them cool a little bit, so let's see what they're like, shall we? Oh, you hear that crispiness from them? Oh wow, these look fantastic. Oh, talk about your cheese and meat hit here. Oh, this looks fantastic. So, shall I try some? Oh my god, that is so good. Just look at that. That looked fantastic. It's just so easy to do in the air fryer. Just a couple of wraps, that's all it takes. You can do it with so many different leftovers. It's just fantastic. So this one, of course, has been made with the dolmio. So it makes it a bit sloppier, but sloppy comfort food is amazing. And then for your other one, which of course you've done without the extra dolmio, and this is just as good. And you can hear the crisp on the side of the wrap as you chop into it. I mean, oh, look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? It's seriously hard to choose a favourite, so it depends. Do you like more dolmio? Do you want it sloppier, like food that's going to get your hands dirty that you have to clean up afterwards, or do you want it more without less cheese and sauce? It's totally up to you, but there's some great ideas there for how to use up your bolognese using wraps. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what you're waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.